Hello everyone. So today I am giving a very important questions related to thermal physics and statistical mechanics. So I have made some important questions on BSc third sem physics, which is according to Gulbarga University syllabus. So as we know that the examination is going to be conducting in August, so many students have asked the important topics or important questions that they should read, so that they should save some time because there is not much time is left here. So I have given some of the important questions here in these slides. Let us see. So the importantly there are 5 units are there. First unit is laws of thermodynamics. In this there are some of the definitions are important, like zeroth law of thermodynamics, first law of thermodynamics, and second law of thermodynamics, and with examples we have to write. And there are some processes are there, like isothermal process, adiabatic process, isochoric process, and isobaric process. So these four processes are very very important for 2 marks questions. And what is heat engine? Next, what principle of Carnot's heat engine? Then refrigerator, principle of refrigerator, entropy, reversible and irreversible process, statement of Carnot's theorem, then the statement of second law of thermodynamics, that is Clausius-Clapeyron statement, and the Kelvin's statement that you have to write. And in the long answer questions they might ask the explain the zeroth law of thermodynamics, first law of thermodynamics, second law of thermodynamics, and the derive an expression for work done during an isothermal process, derive an expression for work done during an adiabatic process, and the explain the parts of Carnot's heat engine with a neat diagram, and derive an expression for efficiency of Carnot's heat engine. So I have made already the important topics videos. I will provide the link in the description so that you can download or you can see and you can get revise yourself for that examination. And I have also made some of the notes on these topics, so I will provide the link in the description. Next, move on to the there are constant volume and constant pressure related to specific heat of gas that we have to explain. Then deduce the relation between specific heat of a gas at constant volume and constant pressure. Working of refrigerator, Clausius-Clapeyron equation, this is very very important one. Derive and explain Clausius-Clapeyron equation. Then thermodynamic potentials in unit 2, they might ask about the thermodynamic potential. There are 4 important thermodynamic potentials are there. Those are internal energy, Helmholtz function, Gibbs free energy, and enthalpy. So related to that they can ask with examples, you should know. Then in the long answers they might ask the Maxwell's relations about first, second, third, and fourth Maxwell relations. Then you have to derive the Maxwell relation, deduce the specific heat equation for a perfect gas, van der Waals equation, derive an expression for Joule-Thomson coefficient. On this topic I have made a video so that you can see. Clausius-Clapeyron latent heat equation, then the internal energy of the system, change of entropy in irreversible process, explain temperature energy diagram, and they might ask 1 or 2 problems on this one. And in the unit 3, that is related to kinetic theory of gases, they might ask the what is mean velocity or average velocity of a gas molecules, root mean square velocity, most probable velocity, then mean free path, write the assumptions to find the mean free path, what is thermal conductivity, degrees of freedom, statement of laws of equipartition of energy. Then in the long answer questions they might ask the write the postulates of kinetic theory of gases. This is very important. Describe the experimental verification of Maxwell's distribution law of velocity. Derive an expression for Maxwell's distribution law of velocity. Explain mean free path. Then the degrees of freedom related questions. State the law of equipartition of energy. This is very important. Explain the application of equipartition of energy in case of a monoatomic gases, energy in a diatomic gases, and the triatomic gases. So they might ask any one of these three important one for 7 marks or 8 marks. Then the Maxwell distribution of energy that you should know. Next, move on to the fourth unit, that is theory of radiation. What is black body radiation, emissivity, absorptivity, Wien's distribution law, Stefan Boltzmann's law, Wien's displacements law. And in the long answer questions, they might ask it about the Planck's radiation law, very important. Derive an expression for Wien's distribution law. State and explain Rayleigh-Jean's law of energy distribution. And the some of the deductions that you have to make means derive Stefan's law from Planck's law, derive Wien's displacement law from Planck's law, write a note on black body radiation, write a note on Rayleigh-Jean's law. In the unit 5th, you have statistical mechanics. They might ask the microscopic system, macroscopic system, probability, zero probability, total probability. State the principle of equal of a prior probability. Then additive law, multiplicative law of probability. What is combination? What are permutations? Phase space, these are very important. Phase space, position space, ensembles, fermions, Fermi energy. Then in the long answer questions, they might ask the explain the probability of a throwing a die, state and explain the additive law of probability, multiplicative law of probability, permutation, combination with examples. Then these three are very important. Explain the Maxwell's Boltzmann distribution law, explain Fermi Dirac distribution, and the Bose-Einstein distribution. And they can also ask the distinguish between any two statistics like Bose-Einstein and Fermi Dirac statistics. Then one or two problems related to this one. So already I have made some of the videos which are important, and please go through that. I will provide in the description box, and I will provide the PDF notes also.